Welcome to the channel. What do you think is inside a can of paint? Watch the full video to find out. Deep within the earth, ilmenite ore vital for Michelore's vibrant paints is carefully extracted. The rigorous inspection of raw ilmenite ore validates its structural integrity, ensuring the absolute purity required for superior pigment dispersion. The journey of Michelore's paint begins with the meticulous reception of its foundational raw materials. Every incoming batch is meticulously logged, guaranteeing complete traceability from arrival to final product. Advanced storage systems ensure raw materials are secured and readily available for the next production stages. Precision is paramount as technicians carefully measure each vital component. The blend begins transforming raw components into a vibrant, uniform mixture. Pearl milling refines color particles, achieving ultimate smoothness and gloss. Advanced technology ensures perfect color consistency across every shade. Rigorous quality control ensures superior coverage and ideal drying times. Precision weighing ensures the foundation for Michelore's thousands of perfect shades. Liquid resins and solvents are introduced, forming the rich base for superior paint performance. The high-speed blade creates a powerful vortex, transforming raw materials into a smooth paste-like premixture. Skilled workers meticulously monitor every step, ensuring Michelore's renowned quality. Precision milling refines pigments, creating a smoother, glossier paint. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Inside the mill, ceramic beads grind pigment particles to achieve ultimate smoothness. Constant temperature control is crucial for consistent product quality and safety. The continuous flow within the mill ensures even distribution and consistent quality. Advanced digital displays provide real-time data for meticulous process control. Every batch undergoes rigorous evaluation, starting with careful sampling for quality assurance. Multiple pearl mills work in harmony, ensuring high-volume, consistent production. The finely milled paint is now prepared for the next critical stage of production. The precision of our milling process ensures unparalleled smoothness and brilliance in every batch. Our experts meticulously sample each batch, upholding the highest standards of quality from the start. Every particle is scrutinized for perfect dispersion, a testament to our commitment to excellence. Under bright illumination, our quality control expert ensures every batch meets our stringent quality benchmarks.
How does the viscosity look on this batch?
It's perfect. The consistency meets all parameters. We are cleared for production.
Only after passing rigorous tests does the mill base move on to the next stage of production. Expert technicians diligently monitor every parameter, ensuring precision at every stage. Each shade reveals its impeccable smoothness and consistent flow, a hallmark of quality. Thousands of gallons of perfectly prepared paint await the next stage, a testament to meticulous craftsmanship. Precision blending begins, adding essential elements for perfect consistency. The mixture gently transforms, ensuring a flawless, bubble-free finish. Skilled technicians meticulously monitor every stage, ensuring unparalleled quality. Thousands of shades achieve perfect consistency, ready for the next step. Precision begins with the selection of a specific color formula. Automated systems then precisely dispense microdoses of colorants. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Thousands of shades are achieved through this meticulous blending. The liquid paint possesses a smooth, consistent texture and a rich, glossy sheen. Advanced technology ensures perfect consistency across every batch. Each batch is now ready for rigorous quality control testing. Precision is paramount. Automated systems initiate the meticulous color verification process. Advanced technology ensures every batch meets our exact color specifications. Our technicians meticulously verify results, ensuring every shade is flawlessly matched. Every batch undergoes rigorous evaluation, strictly adhering to our quality standards. From analysis to application, our commitment to lead-free, mercury-free paint ensures safety and quality. Our advanced technology ensures every shade meets precise specifications. Each batch is meticulously tested for consistent quality and flawless application. Our experts meticulously verify color accuracy, guaranteeing perfection across every shade. Our state-of-the-art lab ensures every Micolor product exceeds industry standards. Rigorous drying time tests ensure optimal performance for every application. From color accuracy to safety, every detail is perfected before Micolor paint leaves our facility. In our pristine lab, expert technicians meticulously prepare each paint batch for rigorous quality control. Each batch undergoes rigorous evaluation, ensuring superior coverage and flawless finish. Advanced instruments precisely measure drying times, guaranteeing optimal performance for every product. Each batch undergoes rigorous evaluation, starting with a meticulous coverage test. Every shade is scrutinized to ensure it meets our exacting standards. Automated systems precisely measure drying times, ensuring optimal performance for every application. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Beyond performance, we ensure every formula is strictly lead-free and mercury-free. This dedication to quality ensures every can delivers flawless results. Our rigorous quality control ensures every batch of Micolor paint meets precise viscosity standards. Each shade undergoes strict testing to guarantee its specified gloss level and flawless finish. This commitment to excellence delivers the smooth, vibrant finish expected from Micolor. Rigorous quality control ensures every batch meets the highest safety standards. Our experts meticulously verify product integrity and safety. Ensuring Micolor paint is consistently lead-free and mercury-free. Skilled technicians meticulously monitor every stage, ensuring consistent quality. The journey continues with purified paint advancing to the automated filling lines. Our automated systems ensure every can is perfectly positioned for the next stage. Each can receives a precise measure of our vibrant, high-quality paint. Finished cans move towards final dispatch, ready to reach our customers worldwide. Automated systems ensure every can is perfectly labeled, ready for market. Advanced laser etching ensures every can is traceable with batch codes and manufacturing dates. Each can is now fully prepared for dispatch, meeting the highest standards of quality and traceability. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Each pallet is securely shrink-wrapped, protecting the quality of Micolor paint. With expert handling, finished Micolor paint moves to organized storage awaiting distribution.